A debt collector just contacted you. Before you pay a single dollar, or even talk to them, there's one letter you should send first. It's called a debt validation letter, and it puts the collector on the defensive. Under federal law, they must prove they have the right to collect. If they can't, they have to stop. Let me show you how this works. Under the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, Section 1692G, you have the right to request validation of any debt within 30 days of a collector's first contact. The collector must then provide proof, the amount owed, the name of the original creditor, and evidence that they're authorized to collect. Until they provide this, they must stop all collection activity. Timing matters. You must send your debt validation letter within 30 days of the collector's first written notice. If you wait longer, you still have rights. But the 30-day window gives you the strongest legal position. Send it by certified mail so you have proof. Your debt validation letter should request 4 things: the exact amount owed, the name and address of the original creditor, proof that the collector is licensed and authorized to collect in your state, and a copy of the original signed agreement. You do not need to admit the debt is yours. Simply request validation. After you send the letter, 2 things can happen. If the collector validates the debt with proper documentation, you'll know exactly what you're dealing with and can decide your next step. But if they can't validate, and many can't, they must stop contacting you and remove the item from your credit report. This is one of the most powerful tools you have. The Credit Dispute Kit includes ready-to-send debt validation letters, plus 89 other templates for bureau disputes, creditor disputes, medical debt, identity theft, CFPB complaints, and more. $27 one-time, instant download. Link in the description. Hit subscribe for more videos like this every week.